Mini fruit baskets with mango, coconut, orange filling. They're so delicious. They taste like summer in a cup. They're so light and tropical. I'll show you how to make them. To the bowl, add 2 sticks of butter, that's 1 cup at room temperature. Add half of a cup of sugar. Mix until blended together. Add 1 egg and 2 additional egg yolks. Mix it up. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and mix. Add 2 1/3 cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until blended together. Then test the dough, get a little piece, and it should be very soft but not sticky. You can see my hands are clean. If it's sticky, you can add a few more extra spoons of flour if you need to. You always want to oil your molds. I'm using olive oil, but any oil, melted butter, coconut oil will work too. And this is how I shape the baskets. I get a little piece of dough and I shape it inside the mold. Because I want the edges to be full and thick, I'll put extra dough on the sides and then I'll cut it off with a knife. That way the edges are full and they look even and straight. Transfer the baskets to the tray and bake at 375 for about 14 minutes. Wait until they cool down and then remove the basket from the mold. To the food processor, add 1 mango, 1 orange, and a little bit of lemon. About 2 tablespoons. Blend it very well. Add that to the pot. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of agar and 1 teaspoon of pectin. Bring it to boil and let it boil for about 5 minutes, but don't stop mixing. Use a strainer to get rid of any pulp or anything extra. Cover it and cool it down in the refrigerator to at least room temperature. Cool down the coconut cream in the refrigerator and it will separate from the water. We are only adding the cream and I'm using 1 can of coconut cream. Then I'm adding half of a can of coconut condensed milk. I'm using a hand blender to make it extra smooth. Cover and refrigerate for 20 minutes until it sets together. Now it's chilled and I'll use a food blender to make it smooth and even again. Transfer it to a piping bag and simply fill the baskets. Refrigerate them for an hour until the cream sets. Later you can decorate them with whatever you want. I'll decorate mine with some cream. I absolutely love the combination of mango, coconut, and orange. It tastes like summer in a cup, so tropical. You can see the filling is set, but it's very creamy and light. If you want your filling to be firmer, just add double amount of agar. But these are delicious. I hope you try them.